Hi YouTube, hi my YouTube friends. How are you guys? I hope everyone's doing good. Today I have another quick little haul for you guys this weekend, and today I went to Ross, Hobby Lobby, and I went to Dollar Tree today. So yeah, I went to through those three places. So I have a few things that I want to show you guys. This is the Hobby Lobby stuff. So anyways, I think I'm going to actually separate it into each store. So yeah, come along for this haul, and I hope you guys like the stuff that I got. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and run to Dollar Tree and to get the Easter stuff that I'm going to show you guys, because this is a lot of stuff for inspiration for your junk journal. Okay, so the first store I stopped at was Ross. I did not get this there. I'm just using this as an example. So I got these two bullet journal dotted pages from Ross, and the reason I got them, I liked the shape of them, the size, and I figured it would fit into my Coach planner cover here. And it's not a perfect fit, or I guess you could call it a perfect fit, but yeah, it fit, and that's why I got them, because I needed to replace one of my one that's finished. Let me show you this one that's completely finished, and I wanted to replace that. So this actually fits perfectly in here. So once this one's complete, or whichever one I choose to go with first, I'll have a second one to go. And these were only $3.99, and like I said, these are from Ross. All right, the next thing I got from Ross was these two Park Lane paper pads, 12 by 12 paper pads. See, this what's in this one. Put you guys down so you guys can see. Let me move this over a little bit so you guys can see this. This is a cover, and this is what's inside each of them. Let me show you. More like a planning and stuff, but you could use it in your junk journal. You could use it in your junk journal because you wanted to like have like a memory journal. This would be a good idea for it too. That's the first one. And then we also have this one. This one, I like this one. This one is it's food based, and I like that because sometimes you want to create, like a different type of spread, and I like that. So you could cut these plates out. There's like some checkered papers that you could use for like make that as a table, like a tablecloth, and create something like this one. Isn't that a pretty paper? This is going to be perfect for summer. So yeah, and that's the Ross haul. So those are the four things I got from us. Oh yeah, and these were $4.99 each. $4.99 each at Ross. It's kind of like when you find them on clearance at Michael's, but you don't get, I don't see these ones at Michael's. So yeah, I like these too. Okay, so that's that. Next up, we have my stuff that I got from Hobby Lobby. And from Hobby Lobby, I got this fusible fleece. I have an idea to make a planner like this, like with the padded cover. So I wanted to get that. And this heat bond. And I got some ribbon from Hobby Lobby. That's all. I already know. $6.49. Oh, that's why my price was so high. I didn't realize it was that much. But anyways, it was 40% off. And then these were the regular $3.99 and $3.99. But yeah, that's my Hobby Lobby. Next up is Dollar Tree, which is the best part of this haul in my opinion. But hold on. And my Dollar Tree stuff. Okay, so for Dollar Tree, which I went to today, I got all these things. So let's get through these things first. So they have these little foam craft kits. I guess these two are in this one. And then I got a similar one this one. This one's called a Easter decoration kit. So I guess that's what they're supposed to look like. Those will become spreads in my junk journal. Easter decoration kit, another one. Also got these footprints. These are stickers. I'll use those as part of my Easter egg hunt too that we do. My daughter does an Easter egg hunt for the younger cousins, so that will come in handy. I will use all of these from my junk journal. And then I got this ribbon. I also got this headband that I plan to take these off and use on my journal. Similar concept to this. I'm going to take these off and use them in my journal. Wait to see what I turn those into. Then they had these carrot stickers, some more ribbon here. Okay, and then I paid $33.59 at Dollar Tree for everything. And then, oh, hold on, wait, before I get to my favorite thing in the whole haul, let me show you guys this first. These are some placemats, activity placemats, and they have games on it. It comes with 12, and I'll use maybe 1 or 2 in my journal, and then the rest we can use on the Easter table, because after the Easter egg hunt we usually have some snacks or something for the kids. And then my favorite thing of all from the Dollar Tree, especially to decorate your page, these window clings. You just turn them into stickers. What I do is I use like glue, the glue sticks, and stick them into my journal. I think if you go watch my last completed journal flip through, I showed how I actually use those. So yeah, so this is one. They're filled with all the types of things, and you can stick them wherever. Happy Easter, shake your bunny tail, that's cute. Easter wishes and bunny. And then this one's one of my favorite ones. So spring, so floral. Then we also have this one, Happy Easter. This is another one. And this is another one of my favorite ones. I like this one too. Hello Easter. And that's them. I think they had 5. At least the ones I picked up. I went through all of them and I found 5 different ones. But these, and you see how huge they are? They fill up space so fast. So if you're like stuck and you don't know what to do, you just do your background paper, put a couple of these on your page, and then that will help bring your inspiration. But anyways, this is my haul from the weekend and from today. So yes, Saturday and today actually. So thank you guys for watching. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye guys. See you in the next one.